Hello, welcome to this episode of Journey Through Mathematics. In this lesson, what we'll do is we'll solve word problems involving percentages and ratios. Okay, so let's start. Now, the question is chemical solutions of A and B. Okay, so we have two chemical solutions A and B they all contain hydrochloric acid at concentrations of 14% and 80% by volume. So the concentration or the percentage of the concentration by volume of A. Okay, so A is let me use small a for the concentration of the solution capital A. Okay, so A is having a percentage of 14, and then B is also having a percentage of 80. Okay, now, in what ratio must the two solutions be mixed? Okay, so we are going to mix these two chemical solutions so that the resulting solution has hydrochloric acid at the concentration of 50%. Okay, so that what this whole thing means is that we're going to mix the two concentrations or two solutions, A and B, so that their concentration would then result into 50%. Okay, so how do you solve this? Now, this is a straightforward question that you'll be able to solve in just a few minutes. Okay, so let me just try and solve it here for you. Now, we can use what we call an equation, algebra way of solving it. Okay, so we can try to multiply each concentration by its percentage. Okay, and equate it to the total concentration multiplied by each percentage that we want, and do some comparison to get the ratio. Okay, so what I mean is this: you multiply A by its concentration 14, then you add it to B by its concentration, because this is how you're going to mix it. Okay, so you're going to mix them: A by its concentration. So the concentration of hydrochloric acid in the solution A is 14, plus the concentration of the solution B is also 80. So you add this like this, and then the resulting solution should be A plus B as a resultant solution, and the concentration should be 50. Okay, so you solve this equation, and solving this will result into 14A plus 80B equals 50A plus 50B. Okay, so what we can do here is, now if you want to regroup, okay, and make A and then B stand at one side, if I send this 50B to the left side of the equation, we'll have 30B here. Okay, and if I send this 14A to the right side of the equation, we'll have 36A. Okay, so what we can do here is we are looking for ratio. In what ratio must the two solutions? So ratio, what we are looking for is something A is to B, and in fraction form this is the same as A over B. So if we can manipulate this equation to have A over B in it, then that will be our solution. Okay, so now if I try and write this in this format, that okay, if I divide here by 36B, divide here by 36B, what will happen? Okay, so what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to make A over B stand at one place, and if this happens, then it means this B can take this B out, this 36 can take this 36, and we'll be left with A over B at the right side of the equation, and then the left side of the equation will give us 30 over 36, and this is equal to A over B. So in effect, we'll have a simple answer here, which is 30 over 36 is you dividing 3 throughout the both of these numbers. Okay, 3 will go here, 10, or I think there should be something else, 6 or something. Yeah, 6 can goes into 35, and then it will goes into 36, 6. So you have 5 over 6 is equal to A over B. So in effect, this is the ratio. Okay, the ratio should be 5:6, because we have used fractions to find the values of A and B. So the ratio in which this should be, the concentration should be mixed, should be 5:6 in this order. That a 5 is for the A, and then the 6 is for the B, so that we'll have a final concentration of 50% for the resultant solution. Okay, I hope you understood the process. So thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Like my video, share it, and also comment for more videos in the future. Okay, see you next time.